your dentist recommends periodontal maintenance. Let's talk about what that is and why you may need it. Periodontal disease, also known as gum disease, is not curable, but it is manageable with, drumroll please, periodontal maintenance, a process in which you and your dental team both play an important role. Your role is proper daily oral hygiene, good nutrition, controlling risk factors like diabetes management and eliminating smoking, and of course, keeping regular dental exams for periodontal evaluation. And that leads us to your dental team's role. Your dentist will recommend a course of action, but specific services may involve procedures like scaling and root planing to clean the teeth's surfaces and roots below the gum line. These visits also generally include evaluating gum health and measuring periodontal pockets to monitor any changes. For example, a measurement of 4 millimeters or more is significant because that means your toothbrush and floss can't access the base of these pockets to clean them. And that means the destructive bacteria that causes gum disease can come back. That's why you need to come back for regular periodontal maintenance. Book your appointment today